Alright, welcome back to the barge build. We dropped off Dad's trailer this morning, picked up the car. The car is going to work out great, much more economical to go pick up parts. Things are really far away out here in the country instead of driving Little Red around all the time. A few things I got to get fixed on this first. Go ahead and get it unloaded. Works a lot better if you take the safety chains off first. So the car needs a few things fixed on it. In here in the tool trailer, I've got this plastic mat down here that I can put underneath the car to get some stuff done. I'm gonna get the drill press moved and the plates moved so I can get that piece of plastic out underneath the car for working on out here in the grass. While I'm out here, I might as well go ahead and get this trailer organized. I want it to be set up to where I can access everything. You can see I've got all kinds of stuff on the floor. This box right here can actually go outside. It can stand the weather. I had it outside all the time I was in Alaska. And this toolbox here can go in the place of that one. And then the drill press can find a home somewhere in here, get it permanently set up. Getting this tool trailer to the state where everything is easily accessible and organized and I know everything's out again, be well worth it. So even though it's been a long day on the road, about 600 miles, we'll go ahead and get this taken care of. Since I have to move these 2x anyways, I'm going to use them and go ahead and build a outdoor shower. Definitely not pretty at all, but for 10 minutes of work, and when you only got 60 days to get a barge built, this will do just fine. The shower is going to be great. Wasn't able to get the trailer completely organized like I wanted, but I got the wood out, got the drill press out, got the outdoor shower built, got the car here. It's fantastic. I'm going to use the shower, have some steak, call it a day. It's a new day. I'm going to go ahead and get these 1/4 inch sheets of steel. They're about 18 inches by 4 feet. They're going to be the sides of the barge. The 9-inch C-channel is going to go on top of them. Getting them all out of the trailer so I can get to that plastic sheet. I like using that sheet underneath the car. It seems that way tools and small parts don't get lost in the grass. Now I've got these sheets out here at the build site, stacking them up next to the other steel sheets. This is that plastic sheet I was talking about 4 foot by 10 foot. I'm going to go ahead and clamp it to the side of the shower. A little bit of a privacy fence right there. Getting this thing out of there. No reason for it to be in dry storage. It can be outside. Moving this box underneath the rack. Make some room for the drill press. I haven't been able to use that drill press in a long time. It hasn't had a home. That's great. I'm glad to finally be able to use it. And it is awesome to have this tool trailer where I can use it. That Yeti cooler right there, I'm a little disappointed in it. I'm going through about a bag of ice a day. Tried moving it in here, get it out of the sun, see if that would help at all. We'll see. Looks like it went through about half a bag today. There's the XMT welder that I'll be using and the plasma cutter from SV Seeker. I've got a plan to get those mobile on a trailer for the build site. Well, that's it for this video. Next, we work on the car. I literally spent the rest of this day editing video. My first time.